The Sony SRS-XV800 Karaoke Speaker is designed to deliver an immersive sound experience with its omnidirectional audio capabilities, ensuring your party is filled with vibrant sound from every angle. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 25 hours and quick charging options, this speaker keeps the music playing long into the night without interruption. Its portable design, complete with built-in handle and wheels, makes it easy to bring the powerful sound of the Sony SRS-XV800 wherever your party takes you. The speaker's IPX4 splash-resistant rating ensures that it can withstand spills and splashes, allowing you to enjoy your event without worrying about water damage. Equipped with Sony's X-Balance speakers, this model provides deep bass and clear sound, enhancing the audio experience for both music and TV sound. For those looking to elevate their entertainment, the plug-and-play karaoke feature, along with a guitar input, offers an engaging and interactive musical experience.